Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another plan with me. I will be planning in my Erin Condren Life Planner, the hourly. I will be using a Samantha Rose sticker hourly kit, and it's kit 54. And I'll probably be using some stickers out of some other sticker books if I need to. And I am planning for the week of January 31st through February the 6th. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add the numbers to the dates, or the days of the week rather. Can't believe we're coming into February already. Time is already going by so fast. So I'm having fun doing these plan with me videos. I am working on my setup. I ordered this stand. It had been advertising on my Instagram, so I finally ordered it and I'm waiting on it to come so I can get a better overhead view. I'm recording from my phone. Right now I'm recording using my camera, but I like recording from my phone a little bit better. So I will be glad when that little stand gets here. But hopefully you guys can see everything that I'm doing right now. Right, so I'm just going to take this and put the date covers across. If I can keep it straight. This is a really pretty kit. I like the colors on it. So this week is not a terribly busy week. It's just that I have a lot of stuff going on that's out of my control. So we'll see how things go this week. So I'm gonna take this bottom washi here and put it on the bottom. So some of the things that are going on this week, they are doing construction on my apartment building, and I work from home and I have to make calls, so I have to figure out what the noise level is going to be and if I can still make calls from home. But I know that Monday and possibly Tuesday they are coming inside the apartments to replace the windows. So I'm hoping that they get to me early. I'm not sure if they will, because they've been starting on the far end, on the other end of my apartment complex. So I'm not sure how fast they're gonna get to me. So I'm a bit frustrated. I'm happy that they're doing renovations to the building, but it's kind of an inconvenience for me right now because I work from home. So I do believe I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to go so I can get a quiet spot to make my calls. And then I'm dealing with sensitive information, so I can't go to like a public place because I'm dealing with people's personal information. So I'm limited as to where the places I can go. So I'm just gonna put this little sticker down here. and cover up that calendar. So there's that. So it's gonna be a pretty hectic week. All right, so I'm going to put down, let's see, exercise, because I'm going to try my best to exercise 3 days. I try my best to exercise 3 days a week. It doesn't always happen, but I do try my best. I had to figure out a better way to do that with that coil in the way. I got a feeling I'm going to end up with way more black in this spread once I finish than pink. That's crooked, but that's fine. It's fine. I also have some YouTube videos that I need to make sure I put up. And I usually put up my videos by 8 a.m. And this is for my sewing channel. And I do believe that I have 4 videos this week for my sewing channel. So I had a pretty good amount of sewing videos that's going up. This box is a little bigger, but that's fine. All right, let's see what else I have going on. I got exercise Monday, Wednesday, Friday. YouTube videos Monday through Thursday. These little freebies came, so I'm just gonna stick this little washi here. Just up here. All right, and let's see. So I have a meeting on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday the meeting is at 11, and then Thursday the meeting is at 9. I covered up my 9 with that, but that's fine. I think I should have bought some add-ons to go with this kit, but I'm fairly new to planning. So, well, not necessarily fairly new to planning. I'm fairly new to buying stickers. I usually buying sticker kits off of Etsy. I'm used to just using Happy Planner stickers. So I'm not always sure what I need to buy and with add-ons and different things like that. So that's my meeting, 11 o'clock on Wednesday, 9:15 on Thursday. So now I need to work on the weekend over here. All right, so I'm going to have to write it in up here, but I do my Bible study when I wake up first thing in the morning, which is usually around 6 a.m. But I don't have any stickers, so I need to make myself some. I am in the process of making my own sticker kits because I find that with sticker kits I see online, I'm always missing something. So I'm going to make myself some stickers. These are some stickers I made. I got the graphic off of Creative Fabrica, and I just made myself some stickers for work. And also, this is my Bitmoji. I I downloaded this sewing Bitmoji because I like to sew, and I just made some little mini stickers for that. But like I was saying earlier, I'm new to kits, so I have to figure out what's in what I need when I do order kits off of Etsy. So I'm just not ordering things and not having enough or just wasting money. So I start work at 12. So I'm just going to put these work stickers down. I work from 12 to 6, Monday through Thursday. I might have to come in a little late one day because we have those 2 meetings and I can't go over a certain amount of hours. So one day I may end up coming in at 1, depending on how long the meetings are. And then on Fridays I work 9 to 2. Right, so I'll link that graphic in the description box below, this work graphic. I have a friend coming in this weekend. She runs in half marathons, so see if I can find a weekend banner in this Happy Planner black and white sticker book here. So I'll just do this Hello Weekend sticker. I hope my battery on my camera doesn't go out. And then I'm going to find a sticker in this little Hello Friend sticker book I got from the Happy Planner. And I'm just going to put a Hello Friend sticker just to show that my friend is coming this weekend. All right, she'll be here Saturday and Sunday doing those half marathons. I do like to try to get some sewing in. I doubt I get any in on Monday and Tuesday because I'm not sure how long it's going to take them to finish the windows. So I probably won't get anything done Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday as far as sewing goes because they say it may take 24 to 48 hours and then I have to put everything back in its place on Wednesday. So I'll put sewing down for Thursday and Friday. And hopefully I can get some done. I do have another YouTube channel. I know I probably mentioned that in another video. I will link that. If you're interested in sewing and crafting, I will link that in the description box below. Since my friend is coming this weekend, I'm probably not going to get a lot done this weekend. So I'm not going to put any checklist or anything like that down for the weekend. I get off work Friday at 2, so I will put a checklist there because I may try to do my grocery shopping and everything Friday instead of the regular Sunday that I do grocery shopping. Again, my apartment will probably be in disarray, so when I get off work at 6, I'm probably just going to want to eat and go to bed because I'm going to be frustrated. I'm going to take these meeting stickers out of this Happy Planner black and white book and just put the meeting sticker there. And meeting sticker there. That's Cricut. Uh, so yeah, I want to work on my own sticker kits. I am in the process of learning Silhouette Studio. I have a Cricut, and I make most of my stickers now on Cricut. But I definitely want to learn Silhouette Studio because I have a silhouette portrait that I want to start using. So I can make my own stickers, so I'll have the things that I need, because I would love to have, like I said, some Bible study stickers. Exercise, I have sticker books where I can put exercise down. YouTube icons, different things like that. Things that are more tailored to me and the things that I do. All right, so got my meetings. My friend is coming this weekend. So again, I'm not going to plan anything for Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully I can get my house cleaned back up by the time she gets here on Saturday. If not, she might be helping me. So I am just going to put down a couple of boxes with some quotes in them on the weekend. And this is just a slow down, deep breathe, and start again. Because like I said, everything's going to be in disarray. There's going to be a lot of noise going on outside. So this week might be a frustrating week for me, and I might just have to just take some time to decompress. All right. Other than that, I usually meal prep on Wednesdays and Sundays. So put the sticker down here just to remind me to meal prep. So my friend, she has to probably be down at the race by 5:30. I'm not going with her. I'm not getting up that early to go anywhere, and it's going to be cold outside. And she'll probably leave about 2 or 3, so I'll probably start my meal prep around that time. So I think that's it for now. I think I pretty much got everything. Got my exercise, my YouTube videos, my meetings, my work. Got a checklist here for things that I want to do, that I may need to get done rather. And then I got my sewing. So yeah, I think that's it for this week. I'll fill out everything in pen, and then I'll more than likely post this on my Instagram page, and I will link that in the description below. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.